What Clean Station LED indicator means on your Bespoke AI JetBot combo. Number 1. When the Clean Station LED status indicator is white. A white LED can indicate several different conditions. Let's go through them one by one. First, when power is supplied to the clean station, the white LED turns on and then turns off after 5 seconds. Second, when the robot vacuum returns to the clean station and begins emptying dust, the white LED turns on at the same time as the dust emptying sound. Third, when the robot vacuum starts charging at the clean station, the white LED turns on and then turns off after 1 minute. Lastly, the white LED also turns on while the mop is being washed, steam sterilized, or dried. Number 2. When the Clean Station LED status indicator is blinking red. A blinking red LED can indicate 2 different conditions. Let's go through them one by one. The LED blinks red when the dust bag cover of the clean station is open or when it is time to clean the fine dust filter. Close the dust bag cover properly. Remove the fine dust filter, shake off the dust, and assemble it again. If the issue persists after following these steps, contact a Samsung service center. Number 3. When the Clean Station LED status indicator is red. A red LED can indicate several conditions. Let's check the details. A red LED may mean that the clean station's dust bag is full. Replace the clean station's dust bag if it is full. A red LED may also turn on when the wastewater tank is full or when the clean water tank is empty. The red LED can also turn on if the clean water tank or wastewater tank is not assembled properly. It may also turn on if the washing plate or the filter is not assembled properly.